So we are talking here the importance of eyes. We were talking in the previous way that eyes have a lot of function. Their evolution from how they began, what is their origin, and what are they right now, and many more. So lots of things are there, and currently we are here to study the evolution of the eye. So let's understand that. I mean, evolution of the eye is already completed in the previous bit. Let's understand the function of the eye. It has the simplest function, taking the beam of light, which is light is such a amazing spectrum, such a amazing concept of physics that everything beholds that. It's the barrier of the speed inside our space and time. Unless there is a wormhole present in the inside the space, you cannot, and repeating the same word, you cannot surpass the speed of light. That's the thing. And here comes the more sketchy part that I would say. I mean, let's leave that topic apart. Let's leave it. Okay, we are talking about eyes, right? So they take into the eyes, they take into the lights, eyes take the light and create an image, and that image is inverted, as we all know. But one thing that comes to our mind is that our brain takes the image. So do you think that every single movement that I'm doing right now, your brain actually sees that? Because if you think that, then you will realize that most of the action that you see are imaginations created by your brain to fulfill every gap, because to keep up with the action, because if the to keep up the action it is not done, if this concept is not done, then the function of the eye would be pointless. Its work is as an alert one, so it should alert if any problems occur. But if there is a large latency between their signal transmission, getting the image, and that's all, so it would be less efficient. Thus, your brain creates imagination which are mostly accurate. Yeah, mostly accurate. Sometimes there are like some phenomenons in our life that occurs, and we know that it cannot occur because our imaginations didn't think of that thing. That's why that action looks odd. Like never let them know your next move, those type of action. Your brain didn't imagine that. That's why those type of actions looks weird to us, because we didn't imagine it. Now whenever we are looking at eyes, then we looking at TS of the eyes and the LS of the eyes, both looking, we understand that it has various type of muscles in it, that like the ciliary muscle, which are holding the lenses, the double crystalline lenses together, and the convex lenses, and these are like in contact like this, so their power is combined, which brings to a more efficient and more better in clarity image, because abbreviation, spherical abbreviation or lens abbreviation, abbreviations do occur. To prevent that thing and many more, you just need to put a one lens before the other lens, so the abbreviation is gone, and that thing is done already in nature. Those lenses are not any glass lens or anything. They are just crystalline lens. I mean, these lenses are formed from some various type of compound that you might see on the screen right now. So this is the thing. This is a major thing that you should know. Also, the whole looking at the whole diagram, we understand that it is divided into many sections. And what are those sections, you might say? Like the frontal region, the mid region, and the end region. The mid region is mainly empty, filled with nerves and all that. Also, when we look at the diagram, we see that it is empty. So it does not mean that it there's nothing there. There is fluid present there, there is blood present there, there is and white blood cells present there, and many more. Whenever you look at the sky or the blue sky or the sun, then you might see small transparent looking thing, and you might wonder what are those. Those are your white blood cells which are present in your eyes, and due to looking at the sky and all of that, you're able to see that microscopic thing as well. It's just the beauty of nature once again. Thank you.